Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, I showed you how the support vector machine is working with really step-by-step example, numerical example. But as you might know, the support vector machine is only designed for binary classification. So what we can do if we have, let's say, multiple classes. So if you have multiple classes, we can have the solution like this. Let me just share the second document. So as you can see here, as you can see here, let's see in this graph we have let's see three different classes, and as I said, this is the support vector machine is designed to for binary classification. So there are two or maybe more than two methods or strategies. Let's see, it's one versus rest, or let's say one versus all. So in the beginning, let's say I have three classes. I will just select the first one and as a positive, let's say, and the other classes as a negative, and try to classify, build the classifier here. And then take the second class, and all the other classes will be considered as a negative class. So it's like for each class we will train a binary classifier, and during the prediction, this is interesting. A class with highest confidence, it will be selected. So for instance, let's assume this, we have this, just make it better zooming here, and assume that we have these three different classes here. This image is taken from Medium, and I would like to apply this one versus all. So it means I will try to split this. So for instance, snake and cat, it will be as one, considered as one class, and the dog will be considered as one class. As you can see here, this is one class, and this is the other class. And for the next classifier, I will consider this, for instance, cat as a one and as a positive class, and this one as a negative class or another class. And the third classifier, I have this uh, snake as one class and the other objects, or let's say classes, as one class. So in total, we have three different classifiers. And for the production, if I have a new image, I will try to classify it with this classifier, this one here, and also with this one and this one. And once I have the, let's say, the probability or maybe the confidence value, and based on the confidence value of these three different classifiers, I will select the highest one. So, for instance, if I have a dog, let's say a black dog, and I will try to classify with this, classify it with this one, and classify it with this classifier. And based on the high probability, I will try to select the class label of this black, let's say, dog. For instance, if this one here is the highest one, it will be considered as a dog. If not, it will be considered as maybe cat or maybe a snake. Depends on the data that you have been used. And yeah, and the second, I mean, yeah, during the, as I said, during the prediction, we will select the highest confidence. And the second object, the second strategy or method, it's one versus one. So assume that you have this image here. So this image also is taken from Medium, and you have these three different classes. Let's see. And what you have to do is using this one versus one. In total, we will have six different classifiers. So it will be uh, apple uh, against this banana, and banana against apple, and etc. So in total, we will have six different classifiers. And for the prediction, new data point will be classified with. So I have just copied with all, just copy, because copy paste is not that. And we'll classify with each classifier and select the highest, let's see, using the foot. And I think this is the let's say the general, or let's say the short the introduction about this, or let's say multi-class classes. So because sometimes you just use the support vector machine with many different classes, let's say two, three, four, five, but you didn't know that the support vector machine is only designed for support for the binary classification, and how this is working. So as you can see here, this is the Python code. You have, for instance, to just uh, import the SVM from the scikit-learn, and here you have the decision function. And let's just jump to this. Hopefully, I can go to this. And we need to see what is the default value for this. Let's see the decision. Yeah. See, the decision is one versus all or rest. So it's the default one. It's used by, so in case you don't have, let's say, add this, for instance, if this is removed, it will even apply for multi-classes, but it will be used one versus rest. So that's why we have see the default one is this. And if you need to change it, for instance, you can just change one versus. You can see the parameters here. The parameter, the values, the expected values, it will be one versus one on, or one versus rest, or one versus all. Yeah, and I think that's it for today. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you like, please, if you like the video, please subscribe and like the video and like the button. And also, if you have any question, please write it down in the comment below. Thanks.